Good morning. So I decided to do a what I eat in a day since I did some meal prep yesterday for the keto diet. I'm fixing to have breakfast. I've already had my pills. This is Kool-Aid with stevia in it. And I've just been pouring it in these. I got two of these bottles from Aldi's and I'm refilling them with Kool-Aid with stevia. So I have almost drank an entire one of these today. I had a coffee this morning with lactose-free milk, and so far that's it. So let's go. Okay, this is from meal prep yesterday, and these are just basically two ingredients with a little extra in it. The main ingredient is eggs and cream cheese, and I made waffles. These are the pieces. Look how thick that is. And in here, I have bags of waffles. So I have 7 waffles in each. And this is for 1 week. So that's 3 months. Or 3 weeks. And it's a total of 1 month that I made. And I have pieces here. So 4 pieces equal 1 waffle. Okay, I'm just going to microwave this for, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. And then put some sugar-free syrup on it. All right, my daughter's taking a bath right now. Hadara's helping her take a bath. This is not the healthiest option. However, it's sugar-free, it's syrup, I'm using it. Yummy. All right, Raphael's doing some chores right now for extra money this month. Okay, so I made a blog post about this and also a video recipe, very short, very easy on how to make these. These are so thick and you can make them a little crunchy. That is good. Just microwaved it for 25 seconds and it's warm enough to eat, so that's good. I didn't want to make it too hot. Okay, so my lunch today is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 6 slices of bacon right here. This is lunch. Okay, my husband mixed this up for me. It is tuna and cream cheese. And these are little baby bell peppers. So I'm gonna have a couple of these for lunch. Okay, all done. Pretty. I'm going to start on a meatloaf for dinner now. Okay, we are sitting here. We're drawing some pictures and watching Space Force. And I'm going to have a sugar-free, this is what they call a popsicle, icicle. These are sugar-free. The brand is Budget Saver. It's from Walmart. I usually have like 2 or 3 of these in the course of a day. They're so good, and I'm addicted to ice because I'm low in iron. So yeah, that's really good for me. Okay, so right now I have a salad, and it's just iceberg salad. And it has flaxseed oil, and it has bacon bits. Now these are the artificial bacon bits that are soy. I actually prefer these over the real bacon bits, but I have these as well, and I'm gonna try this again one day. But today I have fake bacon bits in it. Hi guys, so it's the end of the night. Don't look at this clock, it's been dead for a couple weeks now. I'm going to have a protein shake. This is an Equate from Walmart, vanilla flavored. I probably shouldn't have anything, but I'm feeling like I need something more. I also had 3 little squares, little blocks of seriously sharp cheddar cheese by Cabot. And I'm going to have this because I need something before bed. It is really late right now. We just got finished doing a bunch of work on the computer. We started to work later in the day instead of during the day so we can have more time with the kids and to get stuff done in the house. So now we're starting to work at around 3. I still have to work in the morning for a couple hours, and then we start working at 3 and into late in the night. So we get interrupted once for dinner and family time and stuff like that. And then we're just working the entire time after that. So I think that's a little better schedule for us because we get the family time and it's not mixed with like work, family, work, family, work, family, like 10 minutes work here, 15 minutes work here. It's easier to do it that way and just get the kids tired by 3, and they were actually really tired by 3, so it worked out pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to have this, and this is going to be the last thing that I take today before I take my melatonin to go to sleep, and that has been working wonderfully for me, and I wanted you to know that if you have a problem sleeping at night, take melatonin. It's great. So anyway, have a good night. See you next week, and take care. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out last week's video and my other channels, Fully Living, Fully Cooked, and Fully Fun. Have a great day.